Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with my Creative Times release day and hop video. And so today I'm just going to jump right in. If you'd like more detail, please check out the video I did yesterday. I'm just doing a quick recap so you can go ahead and go shopping. Anyway, so this is the Bear Valentine ephemera, and you'll get about, I want to say about 96 in there. Don't quote me on that, but it's really cute. I love the ephemera. It does not have a sheen at all, and I love the softness of it. Next up, we have the Whispered Love 2026 paper pack. Love that. So pretty, so soft, and colorful. I love the way it looks. Here goes the other items that she's released. We have the cue card stitched heart layers, which goes with the cue card base die layers. We have the Lots of Hearts plate die, perfect for shaker cards, whatever you'd like. One swipe and you'll get a ton of hearts. We also have the Follow Your Heart stamp and dies, so you can check that out. Hopefully you can see everything. And then there goes the back side of that. We also have the Heart Treat Box. Love this, and it's such a cute little box, and it's like a triangular dimension, but I love that. And then she brought back not the same mailbox that she had a few years back, but she made another one, and this one's so cute. And I was one of the ones that didn't have her previous mailbox and regretted not buying it. But hey, she replaced it with a more prettier one. And I love this. And the little heart detail, this is like the topper that goes on there. And then you got some heart detail here, but really cute. This is called Mailbox Gift Card Holder Die. So you'll be able to slide your gift card through there. You can also put the little 2x2 note cards in there. And I was also wondering if it fits a Ghirardelli chocolate in there. So it might be a treat holder as well. But I'm not sure, don't quote me on that. But I just thought about that little space in there that maybe, just maybe, it might hold the Ghirardelli chocolate, but I'm not sure. Here goes my heart treat box that I created with that ephemera on top, the Bear Valentine ephemera. Used the stamps that she released as well, and I thought it turned out so cute. And let me show you how that opens up. Just perfect, and it closes right back up. Really cute, like that. There's my card that I used with the new layers that she added for the cute card base dies. Really cute. Along with that ephemera, just looks adorable. There goes the inside. Here goes my mailbox. Thought it was super cute, and I just stuck that little envelope down in there, and it does have space. Let me show you that a gift card does work in there. Just pop it right in there. Goes right down in there. But I didn't use it for a gift card holder this time. I just used it for this. And I thought that was perfect. I love it. And I didn't fill out the inside, but it does stand up perfectly. I love that. So cute. That ephemera is adorable. Here goes my last card, and that's where I used the Lots of Hearts. And I just layered that right into that 5x5 card base layer die. What I showed yesterday. Like I said, if you want to see more detail, go back one video. Anyways, just lay them both together, send it right through, and then you have a card base along with all of the hearts being cut out, and then pop the ephemera on top with the little heart, the heart layer die. Did I ever show that yesterday? I don't think I did. Maybe I did show it, but there goes the heart that I used. The Pretty Scallop Heart dies. That's where I got that heart from there. But really cute. Added on the sentiment stamp and dies. I love this card. I love that she has a card with a lot of hearts on it, and I love it as a background die. So make sure you leave a comment on everybody's post for a chance to win $50 gift certificate, and that'll be shared on the next release for the winners of that. Make sure you go over to Instagram, leave a comment over there as well. So you'll have two chances, one on Instagram, one on YouTube, to win a $50 gift certificate. And I think that's about it. My code is MOE if you like to use that for 15% off your total purchase. Have fun shopping. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.